$100, that's it. That's all you need to start building real wealth today. Not $1,000, not $10,000, just $100. And I know what you're thinking. What can $100 even do? How is that going to change my life? I thought the same thing, until I learned that every single millionaire, every one of them, started with their first small investment. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly, step by step, how to turn your first $100 into the beginning of real financial freedom. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have zero excuses left. Why $100 is enough. First, let me show you why $100 is more powerful than you think. If you invest $100 today and add just $100 every single month, in 30 years at 10% average return, you will have over $200,000. $200,000 from $100 a month. That's not magic. That's not luck. That's compound interest, the most powerful force in personal finance. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. And once you understand it, you'll never look at money the same way again. So let's get started. Here is your exact step-by-step plan. Step 1. Choose your platform. Step 1. Choose where to invest. This is where most beginners get stuck. They overthink it, so I'm going to make it simple for you. There are 3 beginner-friendly platforms I recommend. Number 1, Fidelity, 0 fees, 0 minimums. Best for long-term investing. This is what I personally recommend for beginners. Number 2, Charles Schwab, also 0 fees. Excellent customer service. Great for index fund investing. Number 3, Robinhood, super simple app. Great for beginners who want an easy interface. My pick for you, Fidelity. It's free, trusted, and has everything a beginner needs. Go to fidelity.com, click Open an Account, and create your free account. It takes less than 10 minutes. Step 2. Choose account type. Step 2. Choose the right account type. This is crucial, and most people get it wrong. You have 2 main options. Option 1, Roth IRA. This is a retirement account. You invest after-tax money and your gains grow completely tax-free, meaning when you withdraw at retirement, you pay 0 taxes. 0. If you're under 50, you can contribute up to $7,000 per year into a Roth IRA. Option 2, regular brokerage account. No contribution limits, no tax advantages, but you can withdraw any time without penalty. My recommendation for beginners with $100, start with a Roth IRA. The tax-free growth over 30 years is absolutely massive. Your future self will thank you. Scene 5. Step 3. What to buy. Step 3. What to actually buy with your $100. Okay, this is the part everyone wants to know, and my answer is going to be boring. But boring works. Buy VOO or FXAIX. VOO is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. FXAIX is Fidelity's S&P 500 index fund. Both track the same thing, the 500 biggest companies in America. Both have extremely low fees. Both have historically returned around 10% per year. With $100, you can buy fractional shares, meaning even if one share of VOO costs $500, you can still invest your $100 and own a piece of it. No stock picking, no guessing, no stress. Just buy the whole market and let time do the work. Step 4. Set up Auto Invest. Step 4. Set it and forget it. This is the secret weapon that most people skip. After you make your first $100 investment, set up automatic monthly investing. Go to your Fidelity account. Click on Automatic Investments. Set it to automatically invest $100 every single month on payday. Why is this so powerful? Because you remove emotion from investing. You stop trying to time the market. You just consistently buy, whether the market is up or down. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging, and it is how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. You set it once, and then you forget it. And 30 years later, you're a millionaire. Step 5. Never touch it. Step 5, and this is the hardest one. Leave it alone. Do not check it every day. Do not panic when the market drops. Do not sell when things look scary. Here's the truth. The market will drop. It always does. In 2008, it crashed 50%. In 2020, it crashed 34% in 1 month. And every single time, it came back higher. The people who lost money in 2008 were the ones who panicked and sold. The people who stayed invested doubled their money by 2013. Your only job as an investor is to do nothing. Buy, hold, wait. That's it. That's the whole strategy. Real numbers. Let me show you exactly what your $100 per month looks like over time. After 5 years, $7,800 invested becomes $12,000. After 10 years, $12,000 invested becomes $20,000. After 20 years, $24,000 invested becomes $76,000. After 30 years, $36,000 invested becomes $226,000. You put in $36,000 of your own money. The market added $190,000 on top. That extra $190,000, you did nothing for it. You just waited. This is why starting today matters more than starting perfectly. Time in the market always beats timing the market. Mindset/outro. Look, I know $100 feels small. I know it feels like it won't make a difference. But every expert investor in the world started with their first investment. Every millionaire made their first trade. Every wealthy person had their first $100 moment. Today, that moment is yours. Open your Fidelity account this week. Transfer $100, buy VOO, set up automatic investing, and then leave it alone. That one decision made today could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars to your future self. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. CTA. If this video helped you, subscribe to Wealth Unlocked, because every week I'm breaking down exactly how to build real wealth, step by step, no matter where you're starting from. And watch my next video, where I show you the 7 money mistakes that are silently keeping you broke. See you there.